Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Fearless Rambler. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We're here to ride the Nutcracker at Lagoon on opening day, and we'd love to have you come join us. We got here early, and look at this crowd. They're ready to ride the Nutcracker, new ride here at Lagoon.
Now this ride does look intimidating, but it's kind of fun. While physically daunting, it's designed to be smooth, thrilling, and fun experience for riders.
Dr. Pepper.
So after waiting for about a half an hour, the ropes go down, and it's time to go. The people are so excited to ride this on the first day, you can feel it in the air.
Watch out for the rope. It's opening day here at Lagoon, and behind me, the Nutcracker is ready to open up. Yeah, there's a huge line already. Everybody ran to get here. Now, hopefully, I don't have too long of a wait, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get in line.
Now, when we got in line, we were right here on this corner. But look behind us. I think that line goes all the way back to the front gate. Now, to fill you in a little bit, the Nutcracker is an S&S Worldwide screaming swing that stands 105 feet tall and propels riders at a height of 150 feet at speeds of 70 miles per hour, featuring a 50-foot Nutcracker statue named Hansel.
Test this seat before riding, so we're going to sit down on it and see how it goes. If it turns green, I'm good. If it turns red, I'm bad. Oh, it's green, so I'm good. Let's go ride it. They haven't let people in yet, but they do have it tested. So it's been about an hour here since it's been at Lagoon. They finally are testing it, so that might be a good sign. It might open today.
So about an hour and a half after waiting, they let the patrons in to give a crack to the Nutcracker. Now we're about 3 to 5 rides back, but yeah, we're pretty excited that we're going to get on today. As people are piling on, each swing features 2 rows of 10 seats, allowing for 20 people per swing. That means 40 screaming people per cycle. Now that can get pretty loud. When you come up to the gate, you're going to be queued into 4 grouping areas, 10 per group for each side of the swings. We were assigned the blue quadrant, which means you're going to face west on the far swing. You just have to patiently wait in these queues till they tell you it's time to go. The gates swing open and the excitement's ready to begin.
We're on blue.
Nutcracker, please verify that all personal items are placed in the storage bins.
Let's do right here.
Loading was fairly easy and well organized. You just had to walk up to the seat you wanted, step on into it, and squeeze down on the handle. As tight as you can. You really don't want to fall out.
Oh, guys, smile and wave. Okay, this feels too loose for me. How's yours?
So you lock it and then you pull it towards your body. There you go.
Oh, it's a pretty tight fit.
Yeah, but my back is bent funny.
Oh,
It's nice to know they're going to check each one of us to make sure we got that handle pressed tightly against our stomach. Now I can't breathe, but I feel secure.
Okay. Okay, now we're ready to ride. So Terry, what do you think so far? Are we kind of scared? Kind of excited?
I'm not scared at all. This is going to be fun. Why would I be scared?
So Terry's not scared at all, are you?
She's going to go back and forth.
Okay. So, they didn't run we're on like the 3rd ride on. Oh crap, it's gonna go. Okay, do we have the handle? Oh no, this is gonna get my gut. Oh, this ain't too bad so far. Oh, that hits the gut. Here we go. All right, up. Oh, that's going up high in the sky. Back down. Oh no! Oh, that's gonna slow up and down. Oh wow, there goes the gut feeling. And we're gonna go back down. And look straight down. Oh! Man, that's going good. Up to the sun. Back down. Oh, you can feel the G's across the face. Oh, just teardrop. Just like a shooting. Back around. Oh, people just are yelling. It's chaos here. Oh, way to go, Nutcracker. Oh, you're fulfilling our needs. And there we go. Oh, it's gonna slow down. Oh, people are just screaming. Arms in the air. And slowing down. Yeah. Whoa. That was a great ride. Oh, that was so much fun. Oh. Now. Yeah. Okay, we're the third rider of the day. That's not too bad. Oh, push down. There we go. Coming back up.
Carefully, or you're gonna crack your nut.
Yeah. That was pure fun and excitement. We're checking out the ride. Opening day. Yeah, that was a kind of a fun thing to do. Number one ride. It's good.
Now they do have some cubbies so you can store your stuff in as you do the ride. Limit what you got. They're not very big.
Okay, some first impressions about the ride. It was pretty dang cool. We rode something like that at Dollywood. I think it's called the Barnstormer, if I remember. It's a pretty fun thing to do. I enjoyed every moment of it. I talked to the builders just as we were leaving, and they told me that they're very happy with how it's running, and certainly they're excited that it's running great. Now on this busy day, we're just going ahead and just walk around the park a little bit. Find a few things to do. Not here really to ride rides, but just enjoy the nice weather, enjoy the fun activities and the fun things they can just do just walking around the park. So yeah, that's the benefit of having season passes, that you can just jump over and do some fun things here once in a while. And that's all we're doing. We did have that goal of riding the Nutcracker, and that was our number one goal. We got here early to ride it, and I tell you, it was a fun experience. Wow, it's sure been fun riding this elephant. No, really, it's been fun here at Lagoon on opening day, and I do appreciate everybody for joining us today. The Nutcracker, number one. But let me tell you, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell and give me 2 thumbs up, because this is George the Fearless Rambler, ready to do the Samurai, signing off.